Today we're going to take a look at some tips for flat water pumping. Now, flat water pumping is the best training that you can do for downwind foiling. So let's get started. Firstly, let's look at the setup. So at Starboard, our boards are designed to be most balanced in the center of the foil box. If you are using a smaller foil, then you may wish to move the position further forward in the box, as this will increase your lift and give you more maneuverability when you fly. If you push your foil further backwards in the box, this can also be helpful, as this gives you better pitch control and slightly less lift. So this is ideal if your foil is slightly too big for you. But for today, we're going to use the middle position of the foil box. Now, it's super important to make note of where your foil is in relation to the top of your board, so you know where to put your back foot. The key to a fast pop-up is firstly where you stand, and it's also a combination of acceleration and timing your bounce. So start with a powerful stroke. Lean your body weight over the paddle and over your front leg. Start by compressing downward, pushing the board against the water on your downward paddle stroke. When you lift your blade out of the water, allow the board to release and spring back up. After a few of these strokes, you'll notice that the board starts to rebound off the water. It's important to keep the momentum going in the first few strokes and keep swinging your weight forwards. Once you're clean out of the water, it's time to think about height. At this point, I like to transfer from compressing on my front leg to having a more neutral stance and standing up a little bit taller. You know that you're standing in the right position when you can be weightless on the back of your foot. So stand tall, you don't need to compress anymore. The taller you stand, the higher your foil will be out of the water. Now in general, I like to use a wider stance when first pumping up, as this gives me more bounce and power transfer on my front foot. Try to move your front foot back slightly. This narrower stance will allow you to have even leg pressure and allows you to take smaller, longer lasting pumps. Anyway, I hope this was helpful for your pump technique. Good luck with your downwinding, and I'll see you on the water.